Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to translate messages now. First, make sure Teams is updated and you're signed in. Once done, open the chat or channel message you need translated. Click the 3 dots, More Options, directly on that message and choose Translate. You'll see the translated text appear inline while the original remains available. This lets you confirm meaning. If a translation doesn't match, revert to the original and ask the sender for clarification, because context often changes phrasing. In meetings, you can follow spoken language in real time. Join the meeting, click the More Actions menu, and choose Turn on Live Captions. Next, select Translate Captions and pick your target language. Once enabled, Teams displays translated captions along with the original text when available. This helps you track speakers and preserve nuance, so you don't miss technical terms. Make sure presenters speak clearly and use a good microphone, because audio quality directly affects caption and translation accuracy. To finish, simply turn off Translate or Captions and continue the conversation normally. You can change your preferred display language in Settings General so future translations default correctly. If translations stop working, first check your network and confirm the Teams app is up to date. Then rejoin the meeting or reopen the chat. As a single troubleshooting tip, ask the sender to resend a short, plain language message. Shorter sentences greatly improve machine translation accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.